We've been living a life of a young millionaire, but nobody knows what tomorrow comes. Yes, guys, everybody has a story to tell, and this is our story. Yes, guys, ito yung bahay namin. Every part of the house, meron akong participation kasi nag-early resignation ako. So, ito yung naging work ko. Natuto akong mag-design. Yeah, I know how to paint, how to wood stain, yeah, and a little bit decorate. Yung stainless namin, pinagawa namin, ako rin nag-design yan. Although lahat naman talaga, laki na nagastos namin dito guys, pero worth it naman talaga. Napaganda at is ka. Tsaka yung mga pictures nito is halos bago lang ito guys. Dito marami ng memories tong bahay na ito. Dito ginanap yung unang meeting, every meeting ng first reunion ng Novelty Philippines. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next episode. Yes guys, bye. Wow.